Thank you all for attending what has become 9 weeks of exciting and dynamic thought leadership content, customer stories, and product innovations. I have the honor and privilege of sharing with you the latest and greatest innovations from the product organization, serving our overall brand promise of the Cheetah Customer Engagement Suite. And I'm sure we've all had enough of Zoom and webinar fatigue. I figured I would deliver this presentation from a place I love. After all, personalization is about being genuine and authentic. That's why this session is being produced from the Green River, here in my home state of Utah. You ready to go, Tim? 2020 has been a monumental year for Cheetah Digital. I am extremely proud of the hard work that our engineering, product, and site reliability teams have accomplished in this whirlwind of a climate. Here are some of the key accomplishments I am most proud of this year. First is holiday readiness. We are about to enter into the 2020 retail holiday season, and I'm thrilled to announce that we executed flawlessly last year. We delivered more than 38 billion emails across 30,000 campaigns on behalf of our clients across the globe, including 1 billion delivered on Black Friday and Cyber Monday alone. In doing so, we cut our number of human errors by nearly 2/3, yielding a global campaign accuracy of 99.9% for the season and no downtime at all. This is a true testament to the site reliability, engineering, and services teams at Cheetah Digital that are tirelessly dedicated to customer success. Next is our engagement data platform. In the fall of 2019, we brought to market the Engagement Data Platform, our data layer and foundational platform for the Customer Engagement Suite. We have made great strides in the platform where many of our customers are taking advantage of streaming data, the connectors framework, AI and machine learning, triggers, audience segmentation, reports and dashboards, and many other things. We appreciate all of the customers that were early adopters of the platform during the year, and we aim to aggressively develop and innovate upon the EDP in 2021 based upon your use cases and business requirements. Next is new engagement channels. We have brought to market innovative new solutions, including mobile wallet, Google ad audiences, Facebook custom audiences, and multiple other engagement areas that make it easier for marketers to connect with their consumers wherever they are. We are thinking hard about the concept of touch points and what it means in the grander scheme of orchestrated journeys. I will cover more on this in a minute. We've also delivered operational efficiency tools. We have invested heavily in tools that allow our customers to more effectively navigate from legacy solutions to modernized use cases on our engagement data platform and customer engagement suite. Now you can leverage Cheetah to supercharge your data, and we can bring Cheetah Mail and Marketing Suite customers along for the ride, including ingesting data from those platforms into the Cheetah EDP quickly and easily for more impactful multi-channel campaigns. Next is platform unification and integration. From the early days of Cheetah Mail to the continuity of our business across the globe in various geographies, we have delivered a vast array of platforms for our customers. I'm excited to note that we have consolidated our legacy platforms down to one single customer engagement suite, and our EDP is more flexible and connected to data sources than ever before. We will make all efforts possible to work with you to meet the business requirements that you need to be successful in this new environment. Next is compliance and security tools. Our dedication to privacy and compliance sets us apart from many of the companies in our industry. More recently, we obtained a clean SOC 2 Type 2 report, and we were recertified for high trust. Our Chief Security Officer, Jill Kinesic, has been leading the charge to deliver world-class security and privacy controls. In fact, Jill was just named as one of the top 100 Chief Information and Security Officers in the world. Congratulations, Jill. We've also achieved analyst leadership. And don't take it from us. I'm thrilled that Cheetah has been recognized by the industry analysts as a leader in many key categories. We were named a leader in the 2020 Forrester Wave for email marketing, a leader in the 2019 Forrester Wave for loyalty, and a contender in the 2020 Gartner Magic Quadrant for multi-channel marketing hubs, and among the top CDP vendors listed in the 2020 CDP Institute. We couldn't get this done without the support and inspiration of our great customers. I always say I have the best job in the world. I get to meet with many of you and learn what key objectives are driving your businesses, and then go develop products and solutions that solve your most pressing business challenges and help you compete and differentiate in the market. I'm going to go wet a line while I share with you what you have taught us this year. The market is maturing from campaigns to journeys. It's one thing to send simple, triggered email campaigns, and completely another to design and execute an always-on customer journey that leverages mobile, social, web, and in-store experiences that are waiting and listening for key moments. This is what you have been pushing us for, and what we now can enable for you. In many cases, less is more, and the intelligence and insights we have placed into the platform to enable ongoing customer journeys, we believe will change the game. If content is king, then context is the queen of the chessboard. Having a more detailed understanding of your customer, from zero-party based interests to more detailed customer interactions, makes the next generation personalization all the rage. Applying machine learning and analytics to your personalization strategy allows you to drive efficiency, effectiveness, automation, and optimization. Also, COVID-19 has changed the game with competitors and customers. There's no doubt that the way we all work and interact has changed forever. We are seeing many smaller, less mature vendors fail to adapt to this changing landscape. Many competitors lack the resources needed to help customers through this challenge and provide a trusted value exchange over the course of their customer lifecycle. I can assure you that Cheetah is now more than ever dedicated to the success of marketers and helping our customers through this pandemic and come out stronger than they ever were before. Finally, intelligent content and offer personalization are growth opportunities. You have shown us interest in delivering better and more relevant content to your customers. In order to deliver this, the traditional concept of offer management needs to be turned on its head. In today's day and age, offers can be messages, images, content, programs, coupons, thank you messages, and a variety of other key customer engagement mechanisms that are deployed in real time. It's all about enabling the value exchange with your customers. The key enabler to this is intelligence and letting the machine do the heavy lifting of content, optimization, and letting marketers focus on what they do well, which is driving strategy and fostering creativity. I feel like I need to optimize my fishing strategy right now and get on that boat. Based upon your valued feedback, we have decided to make some strategic investments in the following areas. First would be on-prem to cloud. In 2020 and beyond, we are working with Amazon and other major cloud providers to make significant investments in cloud infrastructure and ensure our customers have the most seamless and secure experience possible wherever they are located across the globe. We call this strategy Cloud First, and we are laser focused on modernizing any aspect of the platform that has required system downtime and aim to eliminate any gaps in our cloud deployment strategy by next year. Second is simplification. As Steve Jobs said, simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. But it's worth it in the end, because once you get there, you can move mountains. We are dedicated to ensuring all of our solutions and applications are built for marketers and ensure the user experience is seamless and intuitive so marketers can untap their creativity and get great work done. What you will see from us is an increased focus on ensuring all the applications of the customer engagement suite will have a consistent look and feel and will allow you to seamlessly navigate across solutions, leverage common services across the platform, and frankly, have fun doing it. The third area of investment is in AI and machine learning. What if you could automate and score every customer interaction and determine the next best action without any manual work at all? That is the goal with our focus on AI and machine learning. AI is the overall umbrella strategy, and machine learning is the specific tool set we see that will drive success for marketers. We will continue to innovate on ML models that can drive improved outcomes, and early next year we will be bringing to market a citizen data scientist application that makes it easy for marketers to choose from business goals and models to drive autonomous personalization outcomes that have the most impact. Another area of focus is decisioning. Decisioning is all about leveraging automation to determine the who, what, where, when, why, and how we can orchestrate and deliver content across all customer touchpoints. Our focus on decisioning will be enhancing the platform to include a more powerful engine that enables marketers to automate complex decisions, leveraging both rules and ML models at unprecedented speed and scale. We are also committed to moving the platform services to the edge. What will differentiate your brand from the competition is your ability to deliver customers the most relevant content in a real-time moment. When you have their captive attention and can generate their trust by delivering a value exchange to reduce their everyday friction. Being able to process data at high speed and scale is paramount to our product strategy. Delivering at the speed of the customer, whether it's in milliseconds, seconds, or in hours, the Cheetah Customer Engagement Suite, built on our big data platform, needs to scale horizontally and adapt to customers' need for speed across the globe. Well, I'm back at the cabin after a gorgeous day on the water, and you're probably wondering if you're going to see any fish. The answer is yes. But first, let me talk about one of the most critical themes for our customers and our organization this year and next is personalization. Personalization has been a road well traveled. Customers have always valued contextual and tailored engagements. This is everything from face-to-face encounters at a local store to more sophisticated website and mobile campaigns, product recommendations, and long-running customer lifecycle programs. In fact, personalization well activated can lead to a 20% plus uplift in revenue and retention, and a 20% plus more efficient marketing and cost savings. Traditional personalization vendors emerged almost 20 years ago to establish a basic level of engagement on websites and to ensure marketers could engage on digital. Marketers and vendors alike have stumbled on this mission. Gartner predicts that most marketers will abandon personalization efforts by 2025. Why? Data. Gartner notes that 27% of marketers believe data is the key obstacle to personalization, revealing their weaknesses in data collection, integration, and protection. We believe personalization is all about the data, batch, streaming, structured or unstructured. You need it in one place to aggregate, analyze, and activate. Personalization as a strategy, as a technology, and as a market is ripe for reinvention. As Seth Godin noted in the opening keynote of Signals, it's not as much about personalization as it's about being personal. The next generation of personalization is not about cookies or third-party data, it's not about merchandising, and it's not about guesswork. The next generation of personalization is about relying on deep data insights, first and zero-party data, and using machine learning to derive not only the right content, not only the right offer, not only the right channel, but the right sequence of events that leads to an automated path to conversion. The next generation of personalization is about providing a value exchange for consumers in the moment when you have them on your mobile app, on your site, in your store. How can you provide them something that will generate trust and affinity with the brand? There has to be a better way. There is a better way, and we are here to announce exactly that. The next evolution of the Cheetah Customer Engagement Suite, Cheetah Personalization. Cheetah Personalization allows marketers to orchestrate real-time interactions across all channels and touchpoints, and it can influence and inform all the other solutions within the customer engagement suite. Cheetah Personalization currently includes 3 capabilities, and we'll have more over time. These key capabilities allow you to derive from content to path to optimization, all powered by decisioning and machine learning. This includes delivering the next best experience, the next best journey, and incorporating the next best offer. First, next best experiences are enabled by our next generation personalization solution. Cheetah Real-Time Personalization captures real-time data events on web and mobile devices and can apply targeted in-moment recommendations. Think of a fire hose that can bring streaming data from all digital channels right into your marketing database. Real-time data events are fed into the Cheetah EDP to provide a more comprehensive view of the customer. We can then do all sorts of creative things with that data: analytics, scoring, insights, and further engagement. Marketers can then apply offer and product recommendations in real time, leveraging the real-time capabilities for on-site and off-site targeting and retargeting. A number of our customers are already leveraging this capability for site engagement, and it can be easily deployed on your website or mobile app with minimal setup time. If you are interested in learning more about next best experiences, please follow up with us. Second, we have our next-gen approach to journey orchestration. You requested this capability from us and we delivered. You wanted to sequence the steps of customer engagement in an instinctive and visual way. You wanted it to be easy and intuitive. You wanted to be able to track what was working and what wasn't. You wanted to trigger journeys based on real-time events. Well, we have that. A fully fledged real-time orchestration product that allows you to choose the next best journey. Cheetah Journey Designer allows you to create better relationships with your customers across all channels and touch points. Cheetah Journey Designer allows marketers to browse, build, publish, and manage sophisticated journeys powered by the Customer Engagement Suite. Journey Designer provides the most comprehensive set of journeys in the market, from simple triggered journeys to multi-step marketing templates and fully custom journeys. We provide a library of marketing-friendly standard journeys that can be easily configured to drive effectiveness. The library we ship to start will include cart abandonment, onboarding, post-purchase, win-back, anniversary, and progressive profiling. We find that these journeys meet the needs of many of our customers across industries, and the library will continue to grow over time. Journey Analytics will then create insights. You can now have visibility into operational marketing metrics and dashboards that evaluate conversions and numbers of customers flowing through journeys. You can also apply machine learning and intelligent decisioning to inform downstream journeys and offers. If you want to learn more about Cheetah Journey Designer, we want to hear from you. A number of our customers are involved in our beta program. Finally, we have next best offers. Customers of our Cheetah Loyalty solution are no strangers to what we can achieve with offer management. We have taken the next steps and infused intelligent models, decisioning, and recommendations to add true intelligence to offers and made them available across the platform. As you might have heard in the Loyalty Track presentation from Salling Group, our Cheetah ML engine analyzes millions of Salling purchases to make offer recommendations on thousands of products. This eliminates all the manual work and what would be virtually impossible for a human to create alone. Intelligent Offers applies marketing insights and machine learning to optimize experiences. Specifically, Intelligent Offer Management allows you to design and personalize content for individuals. Offers can be content, messages, text, images, and many other forms. We can seamlessly manage the content versions from within our platform. You can leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence to optimize offer selection. You can also generate next best offer and next best action strategies on websites to drive conversions. Now I'd like to hand it to our VP of Product Management, Ian Short, to show a brief demonstration of the consumer and marketer experience that our personalization solution enables. Ian, take it away.
Thanks, Bill. Let's take a look at just a few ways Cheetah Personalization can help you. To do this, we'll use our example lifestyle fitness brand called Infini. Infini sells a whole range of products, everything from fitness clothing to yoga gear to classes. As we browse around on the site, Cheetah Personalization will pay attention to the actions we take and the things we look at to determine our core interests for the current session. To provide a simple example, as I browse around here in the men's section, when I return to the home page, Cheetah Personalization will determine my core interest, and it will provide me an offer related to that. We'll see some more advanced examples a little bit later. Let's now browse the site, choose a product, and then add that to the cart. Let's now leave the item in the cart rather than checking out. Cheetah Personalization will monitor this cart and will eventually recognize that it's been abandoned according to the rules that I've set up. However, for the purposes of the demo, rather than us waiting for an hour, let me press my magical demo button that will tell the system to treat my cart as abandoned right away. At this point, we're able to determine what happens next by applying eligibility criteria. In this case, I've set it up that everybody will be added to my abandoned cart journey, and the first thing that does is sends you an email. Here in the email, we can see the cart itself, the items that I've abandoned, and also see a call to action for me to resume my order. Normally, it would wait now to see what I do and whether I check out before it does anything else. But I've accelerated the timelines, so now what should happen is we should very shortly receive a second email, which is going to up the game and not only remind me about my cart, but also incentivize me to check out by providing an offer. So if we look at this second email, just like the first one, we're reminded of the items that we put in the cart, but we can now see there's a particular offer that's been given to me to entice me to check out. And if I click through to the cart and begin the checkout process, we'll see that that offer has been applied to my cart, ready for me to take advantage of. Let's now take a look in the Cheetah console and see how those events were consumed and how the platform reacted to them. We could look at the low-level events, or we can bubble up and just look at the core activities that happened, which is what we can see in this view. We can see activities such as the abandoned cart itself when I pressed that magical demo button, and that triggered a journey that sent an email, granted me a free shipping offer, and then sent me another email. The journey is now waiting to see what I do next before it takes any further action. If we move over to the journey designer and open the abandoned cart journey, we'll see a visual representation of it. On the left, we have access to additional settings and also to information about the journey, which includes a companion guide about how you can leverage this journey in your particular business context. The journey begins when a user abandons a cart, and then we make a decision. Should we communicate with them using an app notification or an email, depending on whether they have the Infony app installed? In my case, it sent me an email. It then waited a short period before granting me the free shipping offer, sending me that second email. It's now waiting to see what I do next. If I don't do anything and I don't check out, it will send me a last chance email, wait a little bit longer, and then I'll exit the journey. This journey exit has been marked as a neutral outcome, and that's because it's not a customer issue per se if I exit at this point, but I didn't achieve my business objective of getting the user to check out. If I do check out at any point, I move to this bottom tier where we record the purchase and we record the successful outcome, and then the user leaves the journey. To edit the journey, you just need to click on a step or click on the X to replace one action with another. So it's pretty straightforward. To understand how your journeys are performing, you can use Journey Analytics. Here we can see a dashboard that reflects all of the running journeys, or I can drill into a specific journey and look at it there. We can look at the general usage volumes, but we can also look at the monetary impact it's having, as well as the attribution in terms of which steps are leading to the successful outcome we're trying to achieve. So far, we've seen offers in a few different places. We saw them on the homepage and also in that second email that the journey sent us. I want to show you one more place called Infony One. It's a tab on the site that's only available to those who sign in. It acts as an incentive to sign up and also rewards existing customers. I want to make sure that these offers are really relevant to each and every user and that they are likely to redeem them. So I'm going to use our intelligent offers solution. Here you can see I have a whole range of offers already set up, and they're pretty flexible. I can set up eligibility criteria. I can even decide how they present themselves in different channels. To help me manage them, I've set up a few campaigns that target different audience segments. The one we'll look at today is called Infinity One High Value Regulars. When I open this campaign, the first thing I've done is I've set up an audience segment called High Value Customers. I've also then set up a bunch of offers for this audience. So how do I decide which offer I put in front of each customer? Well, I could do that manually, and I just drag and drop the offers into the order that I want. Or I could get more personal, and I could define a set of rules to score offers based off things I know about each user. Here, for instance, I'm using some very simple rules to score offers based on gender and also a person's interests. In the real world, customers can and do use much more complex rules and sophisticated rule sets that use both data and predictions within the platform. Alternatively, I can use an ML model. And in this case, I just sit back and let the model do all of the scoring and calculations for me. Let's take a look at the model we just selected. This model looks at the audience and what we know about their product affinities and purchase habits. It then determines the offers that are most likely to be of interest to each consumer and most likely to deliver our business objectives. If we edit the model, we can alter aspects of it. We can select the business objective, maximizing for conversion or for revenue or for profit. We can select how many offers it should allocate for each user, and we can also determine how far back in time it will look in terms of historical data. On the Insights tab, it even provides us with some predictions in terms of expected redemption rates and even expected revenue. It's pretty powerful stuff, a model that recommends relevant offers to each and every consumer that's aligned to our underlying business objectives.
As you can see, all of these capabilities weave together very seamlessly in enabling personalized experiences for consumers. We are thrilled to bring this next-gen solution to the Customer Engagement Suite and look for a host of new innovations from us around personalization in 2021 and beyond. We also have a great practitioner session dedicated to personalization, including demos, tips and tricks, and roadmaps, so please do tune into that one. Lastly, please join us for an executive panel that our CEO Samir Kazi is moderating, titled A Blueprint for Personalization at Scale. He'll be joined by an esteemed cast of C-level execs and personalization experts from a wide variety of brands and industries. Check out that session to learn about the technology blueprint needed to achieve personalization at scale. Now about those fish. They must have been camera shy today, but I did promise you'd see some in the session. So here are a few of my favorite fishing moments from my own archives. Thanks for watching.
Signals 20, the content series for marketing rock stars.